We are at the Intercontinental in Miami. And we have a Biscayne view.
Yes, so we're in room
Bay
1808, like you said. Woo, we haven't even really, we just like walked in. And this is the bathroom. Ooh, like a real bath mat and everything. So we've got a closet, looks like extra pillows and blankets, iron, safe, standard closet kind of stuff. Very big bathroom, luggage rack. Looks like there's some towels, very nice. Storage, single sink, but there's lots of room on the counter. Nice big mirror, hello. Welcome to my life. See, this is the bath mat I was telling you about. Toilet, tub. Ooh, there's a separate shower too. Groovy. That's nice. It's nice to have a separate tub and a shower. So, come out this way. Looks like this is a connecting room if you need. So over here we have a Keurig, ice bucket and some glasses. That's gonna be your fridge. Snacks, I'm sure you probably have to pay for those, so I'm not gonna touch them. Yeah, minibar price list. Those look kind of old. Big room. So we have a king size bed, very nice, huge big mirror. Tables on both sides. You've got some standard plugs and looks like a clock. Nice big bed, like I said. Great big TV. Plenty of floor space, like lots. And then we've got some water over here and a desk area and a nice little couch hangout with the table. I guess you could have dinner here if you wanted. Here is another bedside table, which is very nice. I love it when there's a table on both sides of the bed because nobody gets gypped. We have electric blackout curtains. And then this is our view. So this hotel does not have balconies, but we have a view of the bay. There is a big boat right there. Somebody's yacht. Or it's a party boat or something. But I think that's like Waterfront Park or something, just there. And then I believe, oh, here comes the curtains. Bob figured it out. Here they go. So you press the button.
The buttons are backwards.
I like the demonstration. Oh, they're backwards?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like open is closed and close is open.
Okay, well, whatever. They work. That's pretty groovy. I've never been in a room with electronic curtains before.
No, me either.
That's pretty awesome. I think the cruise ship terminal is just that way. So hopefully when our ship comes in the morning, we'll be able to see her. I'm thinking it's just over there.
It's right there.
Which
see the little mountain peaks right there, the rooftops that are pointed. That's
yeah,
Virgin
see,
Voyages.
that's a Virgin Voyages right there. So our ship is going to be, sorry about the finger, just there.
Just on the other side of that bridge.
Yeah, that is cool. So I'll kind of zoom in. You can kind of see where it says Virgin Voyages in red over there.
good night's sleep here at the Intercontinental, and we were going to tell you how we thought of the room.
Yeah, so what'd you think of the bed?
I thought the bed was nice. I thought the pillows were a little rough, though. I was having trouble getting comfortable with my head.
Okay, they're like true feather pillows, it kind of felt like.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. So
okay.
We're just not used to feather pillows, I don't think. I have just two very, very small. I wish it wasn't like this, because I don't really want to say criticism, because it really isn't. For me, the sheets were very starchy.
Yes, that was another thing.
Yeah, they were like really stiff.
Really stiff. They're not that soft.
No, so that's only one. And the other thing is the shower's just a little bit on the small side. But
it had great pressure.
It had really, really great water pressure.
Yeah, 2 shower heads.
Yeah, because the 2 shower heads went like...
Yeah, it was awesome though. I liked it.
Yeah, the water pressure was awesome. It was just a little tight in there.
I didn't think it was.
But, I mean, that's being super nitpicky.
And their doors really slam hard.
They do, so you can, if the other people on your floor aren't, like, careful.
And they walk out and just let the door shut, it goes bam.
Yeah.
That's tiny.
Those are super,
really, really tiny. I would stay here again in a heartbeat.
Me too. I love the size of the room. It's very big. There's plenty of space to move around, luggage, you know, storage. Bathroom's awesome.
Right.
Yeah, I would not hesitate to stay here again because, as you can see, our cruise ship is just like right over there. I'm going to show you. It is just over there, so it's a great choice, and I don't think it was terribly expensive.
It wasn't terribly expensive. We, you know, got bonus points for Southwest.
Yeah, we booked it through Southwest, so we got some bonus points, which goes towards our companion pass, which
helps us travel more.
Exactly.
So anyway,
that's how we do it.
And yeah, that's how we roll. I would even pay more.
Would you?
Yeah, if there was if there was a hotel that was like close to here that was cheaper, I would still pick this one.
Okay.
That's how comfortable I felt here.
Yeah, me too. Service was great. Downstairs, the bar was great.
Yeah.
Everybody's been super friendly. Yeah, I would not.
And sometimes it's worth it just to go a little further just for the good stuff.
It is. For us, it is anyway. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video, and ding the notification bell, bing, so that you know when we post.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon.
Okay.
Love you, bye.
Bye.